Welcome to day 3 of my spring trip to Yellowstone National Park in 2024. It was a very cold morning as we ventured into the park, but we still wanted to capitalize on the sunrise and headed to the Lamar again. Please enjoy and remember to subscribe for more to come. So this was our setup for lunch at Slough Creek for day 3. These people are judging us over here, but Kyler's having a good time anyway.
It's cold.
Yeah, it was very cold. The only thing that kept us alive was the propane we cooked with. We had quite the kitchen arrangement going on here. There was only minor casualties to the floor, slightly burnt spoon. Plastics just adds to the flavor, just extra seasoning. Blake almost died out here. Got a bunch of people over there that are looking up this way, which is fun.
Alarming.
There's probably something coming that we've chummed in. And this is our home now.
They're right in front of that rock. There's one to the right somewhere. You see it?
I can't look.
Yeah, we got nothing.
Yeah, like, we're perfectly broadside, like
white rock. Right in front of it. Unless it walked.
There's one there.
Yeah, that's all I could see. I know I could hear more, but I don't know where they're at.
We stopped a few miles outside of Cook City to fly the drone and capture the following footage. I had a close call, as you will see, where I lost signal to my drone behind a rock cliff wall. Luckily, it's smart enough to return home after losing signal, but not before narrowly missing some trees, of course.
Stopped here at the northeast entrance, just about to eat some lunch. Day number 3. Some of the clouds have gone away, and it is sunny. Still kind of cold though.
We decided to go to the Yellowstone hot springs just outside of Gardner. After about 30 minutes of soaking or so, before the sun went down, we took another moment to fly the drone along the Yellowstone River, near where it historically flooded and damaged infrastructure just 2 years ago. this concludes the end of day 3. We drove along the old Gardner Road again, but it was too dark to take any photos or videos, although we did see some large birds, elk, and deer. Hope you enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe and tune in for the rest of the trip.